Covering education for you now. It took 5 years of applications and fundraisers, but it's finally here. This school year marks the first that every school in Washington Township is recognized as an International Baccalaureate World School. It's an achievement just 6 public districts in our country can claim. The question now, what exactly does this title mean? RTV6's Ann Kelly visited the district to find out and joins us with a closer look.
In Mrs. Spring's kindergarten class at Nora Elementary, every student is starting out the school year, starting their education, learning how to speak Spanish. Yes. Right now, it's about labeling body parts, but by senior year of high school, these kids will be able to carry on a conversation because, as part of the new International Baccalaureate model in Washington Township, they'll be taking a foreign language every year of their schooling. At North Central High School, in Mrs. Sisson's English class, being at an International Baccalaureate district means today, as students learn how authors build character, something discussed in most high school classrooms, they will also be spending a bulk of their time talking about immigration as it's a central focus of stories they are reading.
We try to make connections between what's happening in the story, and even if it's set on American soil, to what's going on in the world outside of the classroom.
And it's in every single class.
That global connection, and sophomore Eliza Craig says an emphasis on what are referred to as the International Baccalaureate learning traits.
A lot of the IB learner traits are actually linked to each other. Like once you can be balanced, you can be an inquirer and like ask questions and look outside, and then once you've looked outside, you can be a communicator and express how you feel.
It all comes together to form an International Baccalaureate education, one Washington Township will have to prove it is holding up every 4 years going forward. So again, Washington Township among just a handful of districts in the entire country who are IB authorized. With that said, there are individual schools in our area that are delivering curriculum through the International Baccalaureate framework. Ann Kelly, RTV6.
And tonight, in honor of that achievement, State Superintendent of Public Instruction Glenda Ritz will recognize the district at its regular board meeting.